PlantX Vodcast, Episode 13, Recap.
Thanks again for taking time out of your Saturday to join us and learn a little bit more about PlantX. I hope everybody had a wonderful new year. Typically, when we do a press release, we bring the people onto our show so that you get a chance to meet them, see what it's really all about, the press release. On our first episode ever, we had Julia Frank, our CEO from Germany. And today we wanted to bring her back to the show to give you a little bit of an update on what took place in 2020. I know during this time of year when it's a little colder outside, I actually sometimes go for my decaf oat milk latte instead of just a decaf Americano. How about you? Is it still consistent?
Yeah, it's still consistent, and I just talked to my mom about it actually because I really didn't like black coffee like Americano, but I really got so used to it. I couldn't even drink a coffee anymore with sugar, or obviously I'm not drinking milk, but I just like it simple, black coffee. Doesn't matter which season, I still drink it like that. My personal highlight was actually when PlantX became a publicly traded company. I will never forget that moment. And we worked so hard, as you know, Sean, and seeing that work pay off in such a big way was to me really, really exciting. The company started in 2019, and then being publicly traded in the United States, in Canada, and in Germany in 2020 is just so huge. I love ending the year on such a high note, and I'm really proud of that.
One of the big things, our friends at Bloombox put their trust in us. It took a majority share deal. Maybe you want to tell our viewers a little bit about how that acquisition has went, because we're only as good as our track record.
Yeah, this acquisition is actually amazing to me because we have been fans of Bloombox Club, what they have been doing. Their plan subscription program is super successful. We have already noticed that the explosion in that vertical is basically all around the world. And getting a team like Bloombox Club, like a team of experts as part of the PlantX family, to me is just mind-blowing. I think it's super exciting, and because we are just able to introduce their platform anywhere and everywhere we can. And since they are really experts in their fields, they can provide us with all their insights. They can source for us and source possible partners in the indoor plant space. And for us, it's just an amazing acquisition.
Obviously, we're going to keep working on expanding it through Europe and hopefully global. Have Katie come help us in the US and Canada and keep expanding it. I think you're spot on with that. And so far, the acquisition has went really great, and the teams are meshing together, which is fantastic.
So we do those recipes on Instagram and TikTok for the ones that didn't see it yet. I really love to cook. I'm not a big fan of fancy 2-hour recipes or something. I like it quick and easy and obviously healthy. So we thought it would be amazing to just share what I actually cook. And to me, it's so much fun. And like you said, we get so much good feedback. And I think it shows that it can be so easy to be plant-based. It doesn't take 2 hours and needs 100 different ingredients. So I think the excuse that it's so hard to live a plant-based lifestyle doesn't count anymore, because it's obvious that everyone can do it, even if you are not a master in cooking or a big chef at home. Obviously, there are gonna be so many exciting things that we can't talk about everything, but I'm very excited about sharing about our expansion into Europe. And that we also might start with Germany. My roots are in Germany, so I'm personally really excited. And like I said, of course, we have many surprises. But one thing that I'm also really excited about is our new meal program. So we will have plenty of new meals. We already have it available in Canada, but also in the US. And I think for everyone, it's the perfect new year to kick off a plant-based lifestyle. So it's really easy and accessible for everyone. So like I said, no more excuses. And everyone stay tuned. There are many exciting things happening this year.
Our CMO, Alex Hoffman, she keeps really wanting to focus on the grocery side of things on our website. The grocery side definitely has the most traction, and to be able to have a massive impact in 2021, it's introducing a whole refrigerated section, frozen section. So, in time, that definitely will come, and then be able to get it out within our stores. We'll definitely have some of those. From a concept in December to a website in April to going public in August, announcing a few acquisitions and a $12.5 million non-brokered placement. I don't think that we could have done more in 2020, and I don't think anybody should expect anything less from us going forward in 2021. We'll keep our heads down here, working through the holidays. Until next time, stay curious, stay planted, stay healthy. Cheers.